So what's the story about Robert Malove? I was gravitated to this because there was a TV show when I was in high school that was Quincy MA. And I fell in love with this TV show. You remember Quincy was played by Jack Klugman, and who was from The Odd Couple. And I said, I want to do that. And I wanted to do something unique. My brother was going to law school, wanted to be a medical malpractice lawyer, and I said, well, I'm interested in the scientific aspects of law, and I was interested in crime and whodunits and being a detective and things like that. So I ended up going to American University and getting an undergraduate degree in the administration of justice, with an eye towards I always wanted to go to law school to be a criminal defense lawyer. I was going to save the world. And in between law school and undergraduate school, I went to George Washington University and got a master's degree in forensic science, which was pretty unique. Nowadays, you turn on the television, everybody's watching CSI Miami, CSI New York, CSI whatever, Bones, all kinds of forensic television programs, and jurors have been conditioned to think that there should be some kind of scientific evidence. But in any event, way before this became part of our everyday lexicon, I was interested in forensic science, and I took that and I got a law degree and always became, and from day one I was a criminal defense lawyer. I worked for 12 years as an assistant public defender because I just wanted to learn how to be a lawyer. And then I took my legal skills that I acquired by being in the trenches of every day and representing indigent defendants in all kinds of really great cases, but I didn't have to learn how to run a business. And then when I had my pension vest through 10 years at the public defender's office, I worked in Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties, all three places, and argued cases on appeal and took cases up to the Florida Supreme Court. I decided to go into private practice, and ever since 1996 I've been in private practice helping people who, there but for the grace of God go I, who got themselves into trouble, maybe had more to drink than they should have, maybe got caught with something that they shouldn't have had in their possession, maybe they got into an argument with a friend, a boyfriend, a wife, or something like that. And I, always have been a caretaker personality, wanted to help people, and I found an opportunity to do that, and it's just really my labor of love to be able to help people and do it through helping them maintain their freedom. What do I specialize in? I am a criminal defense attorney. I specialize in all aspects of criminal defense, which in and of itself is a specialty. But there's several niches within the criminal defense area that I have a particular expertise in. I do a lot of DUI defense, DUI manslaughter, any kind of alcohol-related crimes. I also have written a book on healthcare fraud. I represent a lot of physicians and other healthcare providers who get themselves in trouble with the federal government having to do with Medicare fraud. Been in business since 1996, so this is our 20th year of business, and I've been an attorney since 1983, so I think that's 33 years. I am most proud of the fact that when my clients walk through the courthouse with me, everybody knows me. That I have a stellar reputation amongst my peers, with the judges, and that my representation in and of itself before I actually do anything means something to be represented by me. So I'm happiest that I've been able to acquire through hard work, gaining a good reputation. They say that a good reputation is as good as gold, and I agree with that. But I try to deliver on that in each and every case. Every case is my most important case. Every client has a family, somebody's son, somebody's father, somebody's brother, somebody's parent, and I bring everything that I have. I don't have any neutral in between speeds. If I take on a case, I am all in to give it everything that I can to get the best outcome possible. If you or someone you know is in trouble with the law, call the law offices of Robert Malove to help defend their freedom and put their lives back on track.